Bridge offers us a back bend while keeping the nervous system nice and relaxed. To set this up, you'll need a belt and 2 blocks. Ensure that the belt has a small loop already made, and thread your legs in through the center of that loop, tightening it above the thighs, but not all the way, leaving space for a block to fit in between the thighs. So setting yourself up, place the block underneath the belt in between the thighs on the thinnest width, and then tighten the belt so that it's right around that block, holding it into place. Rolling onto your back, have the other block ready beside you, and then you can place it on the tallest height or the middle height. I'll start with the tallest height. So pressing the feet into the ground, maybe up onto the toes, lift the hips so that block can snuggle right underneath of your sacrum. That's not under the fleshy part of the butt or underneath the lower back, but right in between. And then resting here, allowing the body to enjoy this back bend. To come out, you can lift up onto the toes, remove the block, or you can also put it on the lower height. So let's see that here. Ensuring that block's under the sacrum, letting the palms face upwards, and the neck be nice and long. Now let's observe carefully when we come out of this pose that after we remove the block, the spine lowers 1 vertebrae at a time slowly down to the floor. Then we'll remove the block between our thighs, loosen the belt so that we can slowly unthread the legs and finish the pose. Now let's see an arm variation for this posture. So we'll take the arms up overhead, grabbing opposite elbows, which is a great shoulder opener and nice and relaxing. If they don't touch the floor, you can always put a blanket underneath of them or a block. Now let's look at using a strap. So hold a small loop, thread it around the upper arms with the strap buckle facing you. And this next part can be a little challenging. Keep the belt as close to the elbows as possible, and then tuck the head as you place the belt underneath of the head, extending the arms. This is a wonderful shoulder opener, and you can even put a bolster between the hands to keep them separated. Now the first thing we'll look at in assisting this pose are the feet. Move the heels so that they are right underneath of the knees for a 90-degree angle with the shins and the floor. Next, we'll take a look at the block, and it looks like the block is a little high on her lower back there. So we'll ask her to lift her hips and help her do that while we move the block down underneath the sacrum, creating space in the lower back. Pressing down the shoulders, grounding down through the arms. Great work.